Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Good morning, all. So, in the previous lecture, we started the parabolas. Okay. So, next today, the same we'll see the reduction to the standard equation, reduction to standard equation. Okay. So, with this, if the equation of parabola is not in the standard form, I mean, it's contained second degree term either in a y or in a x, okay, but not in both, then it can be reduced into the standard form. For this, we change the given equations. Okay, so like y minus k square is equals to 4a x minus of h. So we are introducing k and h. Okay, or we can write it as x minus p square, that is 4b y minus of q. Okay, so and then we compare the results related to that parabolas. Okay, so let me write equation of parabola. Then next is your vertex. Then we come to axis, then focus, then directrix, then equation of lattice rectum and length of lattice rectum. Okay, so equation is x, or this given 4a x minus of h and x minus p 4b y minus of q. Okay, so this and this one. Okay, so vertex for this will become h comma k, y is x is y is equals to k, focus h plus a dot k, directrix will be x plus a minus h is equals to 0, equation of lattice vector x is equals to a plus of h, and this becomes 4a. Now for this, vertex are pq, x is equals to p, then p b plus q, y plus b minus q equals to 0, y is equals to b plus q, and this becomes 4b. Length of lattice sector will become 4b. Okay, so you can note down this table. Okay, okay. Next, we'll go for the the vertex of the parabola, the vertex of parabola x square minus 8y minus x plus 19 is equals to 0 is. Okay, so let's solve this problem. So equation of this parabola can be written as x minus half square minus 8y plus 19 is 1 by 4 is equals to 0. So again, x minus 1 by 2 square will become 8y minus 76 minus 1 by 4, so that you can write it as x minus half whole square, it taking common y minus 75 by 32, right? So your vertex will become 1 by 2 and 75 by 32. This is your vertex. Next thing is general equation of parabola. Okay. So here, if h comma k be the locus of parabola and the equation directrix is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay. So then its general equation will become under root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. So that is ax plus by plus c divided by a square plus b square. So which gives bx minus ay whole square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus d is equals to 0. Okay, so you can write where z, f, d are the constants. Okay, the constants. So some notes are there related to this. So first, if it's a second degree equation in x and y, then the terms of second degree forms a perfect square and can be at least one. So we can write second degree forms perfect square and at least one linear term. Second, the general equation of second degree is this is square by square 2hxy 2gx 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Okay, which represents a parabola. So this becomes h square is equals to ab, h square equals to ab, and b is delta abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is equals to 0. Just note down this. Okay. So next is same parametric equation of parabola. Of parabola. Okay. So parametric equation of parabola y is square is equals to 4x or x is equals to at square and y is equals to 2at. Okay. So hence any point on this 80 square and 280 are called t's point. Okay. So note first parametric equation of parabola x square is equals to 4ay is x is equals to 280 and y is equals to 80 square. Second note, any point on parabola y is equals to 4ax, y square equals to 4x can be written as a by t square and 2a by t. Next one, the ends of a double ordinate of parabola can be taken as 80 square 280 and 80 square minus 280 is for ends of double ordinate of a parabola. Next is parametric equation of parabola. Okay, so that is y minus h square is equals to 4a x minus k whole square is x minus k is equals to 80 square and y minus h is 280. Okay, so these are parametric equation of parabola. Okay, so this was related to your parametric equation of parabola. Okay, so you can copy this. Okay, and then we'll look out at two examples related to this. Okay, so next example, the parametric equation of curve y minus 2 whole square is equals to 12x minus 4r. Okay, so here we know a is equals to 3, right? So y minus 2 is equals to 280. So y is equals to 2 plus 2 into 3t. So that becomes 2 plus 60, right? And x minus 4 is equals to 8t square. So that becomes x is equals to 4 plus 3 into t square. So that is 4 plus 3t square. Okay. So these are your parametric equations of the curve. Can note down this problem. Okay. Next is parameter t of a point is 4 comma minus 6 of parabola of the parabola y square is equals to 9x is. Okay, options are given: 4 by 3, next is minus 4 by 3, next is minus 3 by 4, and next is minus 4 by 5. Okay, the question is parameter t of a point 4 comma minus 6 of parabola y square is equals to 9x is. Okay, so solving this problem can write parametric coordinates parametric coordinates of any point on parabola y square is equals to 4ax r. Okay, r a t square and 2a t, right? So here 4a is equals to 9 and a is becomes 9 by 4, right? So now let's write y coordinate. Y coordinate, that is 280 is minus of 6. So final 2 9 by 4 into t is minus 6. So t will become minus 4 by 3. Means option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, just note down this problem. Okay. So next is equation of chord. Equation of chord. Okay. First is equation of chord joining any two points of a parabola. Okay. So let the points are a t1 square to a t1 and a t2 square to a t2. So we can write y minus 2a t1, and that is 2a t2 minus 2a t1 by a t2 square minus a t1 square to x minus of a t1 whole square. So that becomes y minus 2 a t1 is 2 by t1 plus t2. So that is x minus of a t1 square. So again t1 plus t2 y is 2x plus 2a t1 t2. Okay, so just note down this. There are now few notes related to this. Okay, so first is if t1 and t2 are the parameters of the ends of focal chord of parabola y square, meaning t1 and t2 are ends of focal chord of parabola y square is equals to 4x, then t1 t2 is minus of 1. Second note, if one end of focal chord of if one end of focal chord of parabola is 80 squared to 80 and other is a by t square and minus 280, then the length of focal chord will be a by t plus 1 by t whole square, and the last is length of length of chord joining two points t1 and t2 is a t1 minus t2 under root t1 plus t2 whole square plus 4. These are for the standard parabola's equation y square equals to 4ax. Okay, so you can note down these three. Okay, next is length of intercept. So in this, suppose this parabola is given, okay, which will be passing on. Okay, so this y is equals to mx plus c, point A and point B. This is your x and this is your y. So the length of intercept made by line is equals to mx plus c between the parabola y square equals to 4x will be AB is 4 by m square under root a 1 plus m square a minus m into c. So this is your length of intercept, and m is stands for your slope. Okay, now let's solve one problem. Length of intercept by the line 4y is equals to 3x minus 48 on the parabola y square equals to 64x is okay. So let's solve this problem. So your 4y is equals to 3x minus 48. So m is 3 by 4, c is minus of 12, right? So y square is 64x, so a is equals to 16. So formula is 4 by m square under root of a 1 plus m square a minus of m into c. So now putting all the values, 4 by 9 to 16, then 16, 1 plus 9 by 16, and 16 plus 12 into 3 by 4, right? So solving this, we'll get it as 9 will be common out and this 1600. So 1600 by 9. So this becomes your answer. Okay, so can note down this. So with this, we are going to wind up the lecture here. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.